If you're working a 9 to 5 role looking to generate an extra income through property, this video is for you. You might be in a situation where you're fed up of your income being capped, or you may need extra cash to supplement your bills because you're just getting by each month, living on paycheck to paycheck. Or you might be looking to escape your 9 to 5 rat race. Or you may want to start your journey to create financial freedom for your family, for yourself, through property. No matter what the reason is, you are in the right place. I'm about to show you and share with you how you can secure your first Airbnb property in the next 30 days, or you 100% get your money back. You're probably thinking, that's crazy, impossible even. I don't have cash or large sums of money to buy a property. Okay, here is the interesting part. You don't need large sums of money. That's not the business model which I'm about to share with you. I'm talking about generating an extra income through property, using a property you don't own but you control. I'll repeat that. Using a property you don't own but you control the property. You will be operating this property as a serviced accommodation by agreeing a lease with the landlord. That way you don't have to lay large sums of money to achieve that. You need to understand the ins and outs of how this business model works, and this video is gonna show you that. I'm sure you're wondering, how is this guy qualified to share advice with me? Hi, my name is Tab Nhlangano. I'm an Airbnb super host and your property coach. I'm an active operator and the founder of a company called Love Your Stays, which boasts a portfolio of 6 owned property and 6 leased properties. The portfolio value of our own property is just under £2 million. These are some of the examples of me collecting keys from landlords and from property owners of the refurbs. And these are some of the examples of the properties which I own and also lease out from landlords. I've always been looking for ways to escape the 9 to 5 rat race. Property seemed to be the most efficient way to build a life of time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. Alas, my story isn't a story of hardship turned into victory. It's an everyday tale of an ordinary man embracing the extraordinary opportunities the internet has given us. And now I'm giving you the opportunity to learn all the secrets of how I've done this. How you can do the exact same thing using my 10-day Airbnb crash course. With this crash course, I'll be by your side every step of the way to guide you. Before I get into detail of how to sign up, I need to talk to you about why you haven't found the right vehicle to add an extra income so far. Over the years, I've spoken to many hundreds of people who feel stuck in their 9 to 5 and are desperate to earn an additional income stream but haven't found the right vehicle to make it happen. And there are 4 typical reasons for this. Reason number 1, they have no idea where to start. The amount of online money making schemes is overwhelming and the choice ends up overwhelming for them. Reason number 2, they don't know who to trust when it comes to online opportunities. It's either they've been banned before in the past or they are reluctant to invest even though they have a strong desire to create an extra income using online opportunities. Reason number 3, they believe to get into property you need a large sum of money and they don't even consider it a viable option. Reason number 4 is fear, which to me stands for false evidence appearing real. Any of these reasons sounds familiar to you? I've personally given many online opportunities a go. Hands down, the best model which I've come to, which cannot compare to any of these, is the Airbnb model. Give yourself a moment to think about the impact of securing a property in the next 30 days. It's time to allow yourself to think, how will this make you feel and how will it change your life, your house life, and your financial life? Okay, I've got a group called the Airbnb 10-day crash course. In this group, you will be learning everything which I know about Airbnb. Once you join the group, you'll find two programs: 10-day Airbnb crash course and the Airbnb mastery blueprint. This video is for the 10-day Airbnb crash course, which will equip you with everything for you to secure your first property in the next 30 days. The Airbnb mastery blueprint is application only, so all the links to join are around this video. These are some of the snippets which you find in the program. As you can see, it's a very detailed program which will be like watching everything like a Netflix series. In this program, I leave no stone unturned. I reveal everything which I know about Airbnb. The benefits of doing the Airbnb crash course are no brainer to you. You secure your first Airbnb in the next 30 days. You get access to a step-by-step process that maps out the exact things to know how to be involved in this business, so there is no guesswork. You will earn an extra income from around 1,000 to about 2,000 a month. So with this video, if you go through the training and implement everything which I suggest and don't secure your first property, I will refund you your money back 100%. So there is no risk or whatsoever to you. If you've got this far, I assume you're interested. Now you have two options: forget about this video and go back to how life was before, or invest £100 to learn what's taken me years to understand and begin your journey to adding that extra income. Remember, I'm the living proof of what I share in the course. I've built a portfolio of £2 million and I've also leased properties from landlord. Your next step is very simple. Hit the button around this video, below this video, and pay your £100. Follow the steps around it, and I'll see you on the inside, my friend.